Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to plan your blog posts, videos, or social media content without buying expensive tools? Let me show you how to build a content creation system in Todoist free version. Step 1, create a content project. Use one of your 5 free projects for content calendar. This is your content command center. Step 2, add sections for content stages. Inside your content calendar project, add sections called ideas, drafting, editing, scheduled, and published. This shows every piece's status at a glance. Step 3, create a task for each content piece. Name it clearly, like YouTube, how to use Todoist, or blog 5 productivity tips. Use a consistent naming format so you can search easily. Step 4, set due dates as publish dates, so that you use natural language like next Friday or March 15th. Todoist will show these in your upcoming view. Step 5, add labels for content type. Create labels like @blog, @YouTube, @Instagram, @newsletter. This lets you filter by platform across all your content. Step 6, use priorities for urgency. P1 for today's publish, P2 for this week, P3 for drafts, P4 for ideas. Step 7, add subtasks for your workflow. Inside each content task, add subtasks like write draft, film video, create thumbnail, write description, schedule post, and promote on social. Step 8, create recurring tasks for regular content. Set up weekly newsletter every Thursday or Instagram post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Step 9, create one filter for content review. Use this query, #content calendar and P1 vertical bar P2 and .subtask. This shows all high priority content pieces, not the individual subtasks. And that's it. With one project, sections for stages, labels for platforms, and subtasks for workflows, you have a complete content planning system. If you build this system, let me know what type of content you create in the comments. See you in the next one.